Hello, Adams. How you doing? This is Don Trailer with Tameron Hyundai, and I got this Kia Sedona. I just want to take some pictures, take a video of it, and send it to you. Real brief. I won't be long. Here's the outside. The tires are brand spanking new on it, as you can see. The body and paint is immaculate. It's nearly perfect. Here's the back side of it. We're going to walk around and go inside of it. Got the power slide doors, as you can see. That's the rear. That is the middle seats. And that is the front seat area. Very, very nice and clean vehicle, as you can see. Look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks again. Have a great day.